Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to give you this knitting pattern for a sleeveless summer shell. And you can make it any length, long or short. And if you're going to make a shell, you're just going to make 2 pieces, connect them at the shoulders and down the side. And you can either wear it as a vest over a turtleneck sweater or a blouse. And if you like, you can also add sleeves, and that's also included in the pattern. So you can click below in the first comment and you'll get all the instructions on how to make this vest or long-sleeved pullover sweater.